Want to create a horror story video that actually scares people? Let's make it happen in a few simple steps. Creating a horror story video may sound intimidating, but trust me, it's way easier than you think. First, start with your concept. Open your doc file, copy the first prompt, and paste it into ChatGPT. This will help you generate multiple video ideas. Pick the one that hits hardest, something creepy, viral, and unique. Once you've selected your idea, copy the second prompt from your doc file and paste it into ChatGPT along with your chosen video topic. ChatGPT will now write a full script for you, scene by scene. Make sure each scene has clear visual cues and dialogue. This will be super important for the next steps. Next, head over to Google AI Studio, or any AI voice generator, paste your script there, and pick a character voice that matches your horror vibe. Hit generate, and boom, you've got your spooky narration ready.
The boy enters hostel room 13, dragging his suitcase across the creaking floor. A single flickering bulb casts long shadows.
Download the voiceover for later. Now comes the fun part, visuals. Take the last prompt from your doc file, paste it into ChatGPT along with your full script, and it will generate a detailed AI image prompt for every scene. Copy the first scene prompt and head to Grok AI or your preferred AI image tool. Paste it, set the aspect ratio, and generate multiple images. Pick the ones that give you maximum horror vibes. Repeat this for all scenes. Once all your images are ready, you can either combine them in your editing software to make a video, or if you want, use an AI video generator. I personally recommend image-based videos for speed. They often go viral faster. After combining, sync your generated voiceover with the visuals, add some spooky background music, and you're done. That's it. You've just created a horror story video from scratch using AI. No fancy cameras, no actors, no stress. Just copy, paste, generate, and edit. If you want, I can make a deep dive tutorial showing exactly how to edit these images into a viral video. Comment below and I'll drop it next. Now go make your own horror story video and don't forget to share it. You might just scare the internet. Hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI video tricks.